Hello, it's me, Nicholas here, filming my first flight helicopter thingamajigger fly up in the air. The last video I deleted because it was just horrible because I don't have a front camera and stuff. Okay, well, it's charging right now.
Oh yeah.
It's charging right now. Okay. The light goes really high up in the sky. That's my trio house. I got my swing.
It was way higher than I thought it would. So when it was hitting the ceiling in the house, it was wanting to go higher.
Yeah. Hello, Chicky. Is it almost ready?
Oh, there's another way to go. Okay, about 10 more seconds.
Okay, he said about 10 more seconds. Hopefully this one will be good. Okay, you ready, Dad?
Yeah. Whoa, check it out.
Okay. That was a pretty good flight. But, good flight.